Yellowhouse is breaking new ground with John Deere's latest innovations. Introducing the new 330 and 334 P-Tier skid steers and the 331, 333, and 335 P-Tier CTLs, designed to redefine productivity and operator comfort. The 333 and 335 P-Tier models feature smart grade-ready technology, offering precision 2D grade control or advanced 3D smart grade integration for unmatched accuracy. Step inside and experience a fully redesigned operator station with hands-free Bluetooth calling for seamless connectivity. Sealed, pressurized cabs reduce noise and maximize comfort, while premium heated and ventilated seats ensure you're ready for any task. Discover the future of compact equipment. Visit Yellowhouse today to experience the all-new P-Tier machines.